What's going on, guys? Rowan here. Welcome all back to my YouTube channel and welcome to another video. I'm going to show you how exactly I trim my beard and what tools I'm using. Tool wise, as you can see, I'm using a small clipper with 3 different adjustments, also a comb, a brush and a mirror so you can see the sides of your jaw and the beard, of course. Right, the first step is giving the contour you like to the beard. Now, very importantly, make sure you don't go too low. I usually go till about here, so from my mustache all the way up to the ear. We're gonna brush it first. Now, the next step is going to be the neck. Here we are. Make sure you're not going to go too high up, also not too low. So I'm trying to stay in this position, and from here I'm going all the way, because if you stay here you can't see exactly how high or how low you should go. But when you stay here you can see the contour already is giving a nice shape if you shape it correctly on your previous beard trim. I'm gonna brush it. Once we brush it, we're gonna have a look with the mirror to see what we've done. And I'm pretty happy with what I achieved so far on this side. Right, let's get going to the other side now. Now we're gonna check to see what we achieve on this side. As you can see, I'm pretty happy with what I've done on this side as well. And now the next step, it's gonna be this side. So the way I do, if you can see, I usually trim this side of the beard, the extras, and this side. So I give it this sort of round shape. Right, we're done with the right side. Now we're going to go on the left side. Alright, that's the shape we got so far. The next step now is to make the sides a little bit shorter because I don't like it to have it too big on the sides. So we're just gonna go a little bit shorter, and for that I'm gonna use one of the numbers. Obviously each clipper they have different sort of numbers, so I'm gonna try this one. If it's gonna be too big, then I'm going to go a little bit smaller than this one. Yeah, it's a bit too big, so I'm gonna go a little bit more smaller. So we're gonna get one number smaller. Yeah, this sounds about right. One very important fact, I always go, we go a bit closer, I always go just on this side, because what I'm trying to achieve is like a blend look from down to up. So always blend it more on the top than coming from the bottom. And you can go a little bit on your hair as well, just to make that even look between the beard and the hair. It's a little bit strange because my beard grows differently on this side than in this side. So in my case, it's harder to achieve the really good look by trimming by yourself on both sides, but I'm trying my best. Right, let's have a look where we're at so far. It's the right side. I'm pretty happy with the right side. Let's check out the left side. It's the left side. I kind of scratched myself a little bit here, but I'm pretty happy with the left side as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to blend a little bit more the edges here. And for that, I'm going to use a smaller number to my beard trimmer. Perfect. Don't go too deep, just a little bit the edges. And now the final part is going to be the mustache. There we are. I want to do that. You're just gonna go as straight as you can. Yeah, pretty happy there. Now the right side. And if you think it's a little bit thick on the sides, you can trim it this way a little bit more. And then this one, I always go a little bit more shorter. Right, I'm pretty happy now. I'll show you the results from the side as well. As you can see, the right side. And then we go here, the left side. That's about it, quick and easy guys. My beard is actually difficult than my hair. As you can see, it's a little bit more ginger. So sometimes I'm using like a beard dyeing to make it more dark brown. But I had a different tutorial for that in one of my old videos. I need to make a new one to showcase you guys exactly how I'm doing that. Guys, thank you so much for watching this beard tutorial. If you enjoy, please let me know by commenting below what else you'd like to see next on my YouTube channel. Anything from fitness, grooming, lifestyle, fashion, and I'm trying my best to make it for you guys. And until then, we'll see you on my next video. Take care.